Yantai Junheng Construction Machinery Company Limited is a dedicated hydraulic breaker manufacturer and supplier in Shandong Province, China. We have been developing and manufacturing braking hammers since 2009, and currently we have ranked a leading position in the industry in China. Mainly, three types of hydraulic breakers are included in Junheng's product list: side type, top type, box silent type. Besides a breaker hammer, we have also quick hitch coupler, hydraulic rotary lug gripple, stone gripple, hydraulic compactor, and a rippler. Junheng's products are all manufactured in meticulous way. A-grade quality raw material, high-precision processing, and strict testing measures assure our hammers are of extremely good quality. We have established our own R&D department, aiming to supply advanced technology products. The R&D department keeps launching 3 or 4 new items each year. Junheng Company is located on Shandong Peninsula. Shipping is more efficiently in terms of cost and transit time. Meantime, we're able to receive raw material more quickly at a reduced expense. All these advantages add up to a much better price and shorter lead time for clients. With superior durability, competitive pricing, long work life, Junheng have gained a great reputation both at home and abroad. If you have a project in construction or demolition, need trenching, breaking concrete, rock, or large obstacles, let Junheng be your solution. After you use our product, you will find you the right choice.